In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert smart art in the Microsoft Word app. First, you have to open up the app, and here it opens up like this. From here, we just go into Insert in the top row, and here we have Smart Art. We click on this, and here we have a list. For example, let's say, let's add this one. And here we can you should be able to move it somehow, but here we can enter the text like this, and then we can customize it as well. Yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.